Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. Makhumalo shared an emotional and proud message on Instagram at TobyLK celebrating her daughter's first day at work. In the post, Makhumalo expressed how proud she is of her daughter, Mpilwentle Aphiwe Mseleku, as she started this new chapter in her life. Although Makhumalo could not be there in person to witness this special moment, she shared how thankful she is of Umkhulu for always being present to support the family. Her words showed deep love, appreciation, and gratitude. "I wish I could have been there to share this moment with you," she wrote, "but I'm grateful to Umkhulu for always being there to support." These words reflect how much she values the family unity and the role of elders in supporting the younger generation. The proud mother continued her message by saying, "I'm so incredibly proud of you, Mdaga To Noto." The team Mdaga To Noto is referring to her daughter's root and identity. She also took a moment to thank her husband, Mosam Selegu, for the blessing of having Mpilwentle. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.